Can you take the country accent out and like give me a little more refined?
I'm from Alabama and I don't know how I didn't get an accent. So if you share a little bit of it with me, I'll share my compost with you. That sounds weird. Hey Charlie.
How are you?
Going green is something that a lot of people want to get into. What do you guys do?
We are actually the city's only compost service that collects not only residential, also office spaces, restaurants, things like that. We come through, pick up food scraps, other compostable products, and take it and turn it into usable soil.
There are items around the house that we use every day that we don't know could be compostable. Break down some of those.
You know, one of the more common things, at least I feel like, is dryer lint. Things like egg cartons, styrofoam, we can't do it. And that's what we work through you with also on educating you what you can and what you can't put in there. Any type of fruits, vegetables, that's easy to go.
When food breaks down, it smells, and I don't have a lot of room over here. So what am I gonna do to help prevent some of that?
You can always freeze your scraps. You know, some of our clients that may travel from South Carolina and, once a month, they'll put them into a compostable bag or something like that. They'll throw them in their freezer, no smell, it holds, and then until they can bring them to us.
Great tips on how to get started with going green. Thanks for joining us.